Sometime we mentioned today in the class.
Achha, if anyone is giving you very beautiful, tiny as a girl to you, and at once by seeing that girl you charmed, and at once you accepted like your wife, what you will give to that person?
Well,
Are you indebted to that person or not?
Maharaj, I have to see first if I like it.
No, because I know.
If I like it, it is good. Because this is like everything comes with proper
At once seeing you charmed. Nothing time, no time always there to. Achha, and more?
Okay, numbers. Okay.
I think okay.
I have 3 more. You mentioned we can accept guru, even monkey. So even like our society, like
I told in a different way
different way, like
that if a monkey but Hanuman,
Hanuman, like
and if a bear like Jamwan, if he is qualified, knowing all the knowledges, all established, to, we can make it in this sense.
But that's also in the Bible. Whoever knows the science of faith.
second thing again.
Come on. Good question, very good.
Go on.
No, just I want to clear.
Yeah.
Okay, sometime Maharaj you say in the class, is that like you said Madhyamadhikari, but this if Madhyamadhikari like excuse me, there's one point I'm missing.
You should clear yourself and then.
Yeah, clear yourself, please. In the class you mentioned Madhyamadhikari devotee always giving like Swamiji Madhyamadhikari.
No.
But sometimes you mention this is Uddhamadhikari. I just hear it.
You will have to reconcile some things. You should first know that if any Uttamadhikari, first he will to descend in Madhyamadhikari, then he can make disciple and preach. Otherwise he cannot.
That's why I'm just confused here, Maharaj.
Not confused.
Swamiji is like Uttamadhikari, so how become a Madhyamadhikari?
If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself God and he came and preached, why his devotees cannot do?
Tomorrow morning, this is the last chance. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Microphone should be closer.
There's no mic. There's no mic.
There is a very big microphone. Very big problem. That if anyone is giving this heart to his Gurudev, then how he can give his heart to Mahaprabhu or Krishna? Very good. If anyone has given his heart, then how he can give his heart to Mahaprabhu? And if he has given heart to Mahaprabhu, then how he can give to Radha and Krishna? And it is also very big problem that if he has given his heart to Krishna, then how he can give to Radhika? And if he has given Radhika his heart, then how he can give to Krishna? Can we solve this? Can you solve?
I read it, but I didn't understand it. You've written in your
My
book.
English is weak, so I cannot perhaps.
Explain it.
No, in your book, I read it. Yeah, but I still didn't enter. So I need the explanation.
But if anyone has no guru, then what? Anyone can devotee can have a question like this, that if I have given my heart to it, my Gurudev, then how I can give it to any devotee or even to Krishna? But there is no problem if he has given his heart to his wife, even and no harm, no question. It is very wonderful that if he has given his heart to his Gurudev, how he can give his heart to wife and children? Huh? That he has never given heart to anyone. It means not to Krishna, not to Gurudev, not to devotee, not to his wife, not to Krishna. He has given his heart to Mahaprabhu. If anyone wants to give his heart to Gurudev, then he should go to devotees. They will tell. But to give his heart in the lotus feet of his Gurudev, Gurudev never thinks that he is my property, these shadows are my property. They are all property of Krishna. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is same, no difference. So simply he will verify that heart and he will get in the lotus feet of his Radha and Krishna. That is why it has been. In first sloka of Manasiksha and second, in second sloka it has been given explanation for this. First, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami is saying like this, to whom friend? To mind. My dear friend mine. His requesting his own mind. At all, my dear friend, I am giving some good advice. Please take it. Don't make me any problem, and you should be also out of that. If you want to happy and to make me happy, then please take it and follow. What is this? Gurau
Gostala Yesu
Sudhane Guru Sudhane Mantre Shri Namne Vajadvatam Sarane Sada Dhammam Hitva Kurumarapi Kurvam Apitam Mae Dhata Chate Dhritamanaha. You know Raghunath Das Goswami is the associate of Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and associates of Sarup Damodar. Is that some Radhika? Radhika. So So he is telling to his mind. But not actually for his mind, but for all. He is telling that, oh, you should forgive. You should give up all your ego. Oh, you are thinking that I am so intelligent, but you are foolish. Foolish you are. You are not. You always think that I should think by my intelligence, and that intelligence will help you. But yes, it can help to go hell, not to Krishna. Understand? Your intelligence, if intelligence is not controlled, mind is not controlled, then it will help. Certainly that intelligence will help. But to bear, to help. And if it is controlled and obeying Guru and high class of devotee, then what will be? Oh, it will be best. Guru. Manayev Manushyanam Karanam Bandhana Moksha. What is the meaning? Karanam Bandhana Moksha. Oh, this mind is cause of going to hell and going to. So we should try to control this mind. And then he is telling why? Oh, giving up all kinds of orientation. That what false ego. That I am intelligent, I am learned, I am so qualified, I am elite. I have joined university, I have taken the doctorship of universities here and there. I am scientist, I am doctor, I am Vaidya, I am very healthy, I am so strong. You have all due to ignorance you think. So, now listen, very politely and humbly I am telling, because you are meditating. First, if you want to be Guru Goshthe Goshtha. Oh, Kuru Ratim Apurma. Have so much strong faith and belief in Guru. If you have no Guru, then you are like animals. No difference. If you want to go to be any learned person, and you will have to go to university, schools and other that to learn. And for this, where mind comes, oh, who is doing love? Hey, Kere! अभी थोड़ा सा बंद करो. तो पहले क्यों नहीं कर दिया? अभी मृदंग और करताल एक साथ में बजे.
Going to university and colleges.
If you want to learn harmonia, then if you want to learn computer, then you will have to go to computer school. If you want to learn ABCD, you will have to go to school, children's school, or any tutor. And for this devotion and love for Krishna, to be happy forever. Oh, we don't need any teacher. Not in India also. They have some enemy from this world guru. But they can tell teacher, they can tell professors, principals, they can tell. But for this guru world, they have so much. So, he is telling to his mind, First accept Guru. There are two kinds of Guru, Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. Both are same. Sometimes Diksha Guru may be high class, sometimes Shiksha Guru may be high class. No harm. But you should go to Bhagavad Parampara. In Bhagavad Parampara, Krishna is Guru, Shiksha Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Shiksha Guru. Sarup, Rup, Rap, Damodar, all are Shiksha Guru. Yeah. More superior than Diksha Guru also. So you should serve your Guru with love and affection, with rati. What is the meaning of rati? Not only honor. Rati is here, first Shraddha, then giving up all kinds of honors, then Nishtha may come. And after Nishtha, Ruchi, taste will come, in chanting, remembering and hearing. And after that, Asakti, attachment. To whom? Attachment will come to the process. Bhakti, chanting, remembering, hearing Harikatha. And after that, it will be changed to worship. First it will be on devotion, chanting, remembering, hearing. Very just feeling. Attachment will. But after that some time, that attachment will be changed, it will come to Krishna. Then Rati may come at that. With that Rati, not this. Try to achieve first Rati. And then have so much affection to Gurudev and serve. Vishambhaina Gurau Seva. How? Continuation. With love and affection. Then they will get the highest wealth. Eternal and what?
Transcendental.
Transcendental. Otherwise they can't. They may cheat you. They are greatest cheater, like Krishna. If you are not serving, not doing pranam, not questioning in very good way, then they cheat you. Tadvidhi paripasne upadechana jnana tattvadarshi. So first, accept the Guru. You will have to accept anyhow. You are not accepting any Guru, then your wife may control you and she can be your Guru. Today you do this, that. Or husband will control you, or you should do this, otherwise I will. Anyhow, so try to go to very high class of devotee and initiate first. Then you can obey and you can have this transcendental wealth for your whole life, eternal. And you can be happy and you can survive. Devotee word is not a very simple word. Devotee, what is the meaning of devotee? Actually, we are not devotee. It may be that any of you are devotee, but I am certainly not devotee. Because agraha mukti, tabe sarvabandhanas, tabe sahitya pare Vaishnava pradas. First liberation will be. All attachment will go. All worldly desire will go. And then he may be like a devotee. Otherwise not. So devotee is not a very
Ordinary.
ordinary thing. To be a bhakta, not ordinary. Don't think that. We are in line. Huh? We may be admitted in that devotee class, but really now we are not. When he will come in Madhyam Adhikari, then he may be called partly devotee. Without the help of Guru, a man cannot be a devotee in lakhs and lakhs bucks. And he cannot be. He will be kept like the wife of like donkeys. Donkeys are kicked. But it may be that you will forget after this birth, after death. And we are being kicked for lakhs and lakhs, months and days. But now you are forgetting. So first, you should honor your parents as a bosom friend. Come on, Diksha do. Second, grow ghost faith. Ghost faith. What is ghost? Where Krishna plays, where his father, mother, and all shakhas are there. Where Jashoda Maiya, Vasudam, Dam, Vasudam, Sto, Krishna, Lamang, all the play. Where cows and cow calves are there. This is ghost thought. Tha means to stay or to be. Go. Go meaning? Go means go, go, gopi, go vatsa, go children's, all where they are very. Have so much affection and love for this ghost. And then, Gosthalayesu, those who are, oh, Yashoda Maiya, like Shridham, like his father, Vishwabhanu, Kritika Devi, Radhika, and then so many are there, Vrindavan. And also, now what in this day, present, like Rup Sanatan were there, all our Goswamis were there. They are also the inhabitants of Golok Vrindavan. Try to honor them also. How we can honor all? This is the question. Very easy. If you are married to, any lady is married to his husband, he has given her heart to her husband. But there is some relation with the father of his husband, her husband. He must serve him also, but not like. He can serve the daughter of his father-in-law, the sister of his husband. No harm. He can also serve the brother of his husband, but not like father, not like husband, because he has given. So in this way, we can have honor for all. But our heart will be where? In the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna, serving all. And others will help. So that is why it is happening. Guru Goste Gosthala Yesu Sujane. Sujane means any devotee of any sampradaya. He may be of Nimbar sampradaya. He may be of Ram sampradaya. He may be of other. But it should be the devotees of manifestations of Krishna, like Ram, Nishing, Kalki, Vishnu. Then we must have honor, but not like Nanda Baba Jashoda and Rup Sanatan. That is some degree of respect. All relation from where comes? From only Gurudev. Because he gives this relation. So in the root of all relations, Gurudev is there. But if not Gurudev, then how we become devotee? Really not. Devotee and he has no relation with anyone, only like telling that I am devotee, or anyone can tell us. But really no. This kind of love and affection cannot, relation cannot. Then Bhusura, in Vrindavan, in Jagannath Puri, in Navadvip, also there are so many Brahmins, but not actually one pointed to Krishna or Mahaprabhu. They also worship Shankar and others. Smart people. So we can respect them as they are in that Dham, Vrindavan Dham, but not like Rup Sanatan or pure. This should give some. We should not criticize them. Oh, you are doing this and that. Don't criticize. Bhusurgane Swamantre. More to your mantra that you are Guru Dev has given. Don't think that these are mantras. But these are the embodiment of Radha and Krishna and Chaitanya. Actually. Not like a word. Like you are telling like any name, like ox. You uttered ox or fox or anything. Fox cannot come. Ox cannot come here if you are chanting. But Krishna has power. At once, because name and nemi are both. He can quickly come. But an idea of an ox or fox can come. Fox, yes, and idea. But that really facts will not come. But here idea will also come and Krishna himself will come, Mahaprabhu or Guru Mantra Guru can come. So it has been told. Prachodaya. Oh, you should manifest in my heart. And he will hear, like Vyasdev, he chanted this mantra and Krishna with his all associate came in his heart and he saw. You know, Valmiki, he could not chant Ram, Ram, even, but he was disciple of Nara, very strong Guru. And that is why he was chanting Mara Mara, and after some time he became perfect. But how much time it took? 60,000 years. And you want in a one day, like a Rasagolla cake. It is not like Rasagolla. You have to wait some time. Don't be upset that, oh, in day or 2 or in 10 years, oh, you have not seen Krishna. Don't be disturbed. Hopeless. You should go on chanting. And you will see that you are many times. If you plant any seed in the earth, today you have planted and given some water. And next day you are going to see that, oh, I should see whether it has been sprouted or not. Will it come? It will take some time. And you want just, you planted and free fruits are come. Let you wait a little, you should go on. It will come. So in this way, those who have received Mahamantra from their Gurudev, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. You should think that our Gurudev has given this seed, and one day they will be seen, they will be realized here, like Radha and Krishna will come with their whole associate. Surely they will come. because in this seat, the potency of everything of Krishna, his associates, Srimati Radhika, power, everything, all kinds of transcendental knowledge is there in that seat. But like a potency, you are not seeing. When Ajamil kept the name of Narayan to his son, Narayan was very good person, characterful. Ajamil, first in his life. But in bad association, he became very lusty. And he became a dacoit. He used to begin take wine, cigarette, smoking, everything. But there was some impression. He was of good family. So, by prostitute, he has 8 sons. The last boy, he kept the name Narayan. When he kept this Narayan, he was liberated. But he had no realization. And after that, he thought, oh Narayan, come on. Oh, Narayan is a very good boy. Oh, Narayan, like this. Sometimes he gave, oh, Narayan, can you take this sweet? So this was what? These are like sadhan.